Chris Graham here with a Trailblazer Top 5 interior features for the 2021 Durango HT 250 RES. Feature number one is this floor plan itself. This was our most popular Durango floor plan last year. It was new for 2020, and if you saw the exterior top 5 video, you'll know that this floor plan was only made possible by the adoption of that solid step style of step, because previously we'd have never been able to put the entry door where we were able to on this floor plan. So it allows you a ton of kitchen space, great storage, theater seating directly across from the entertainment center, and just a very nice appointed compact half-ton towable fifth wheel. Feature number two, it's a small thing, but people who have owned very many RVs will really appreciate this: an entry closet right by the entry door. So many smaller fifth wheels don't have anywhere to conveniently hang up a coat or store boots and hats and that kind of thing. Feature number three, the new Tufted dinette cushions. Just generally more comfortable, also easier to use when you're setting the dinette up and down from a seating area into a sleeping area. They're lighter and more convenient, and velcroed in place so they're not constantly falling over. Mostly though, just much more comfortable than the old style dinette cushions. Feature number four, I love this new luxury vinyl slide floor. So this replaced the carpet that we've used for the previous 30 years of slide floors. This is much more durable, it's easier to clean, and has a very great track record in some of the luxury brands in the industry. So a huge step forward in slide floor construction, this luxury vinyl slide floor. And feature number five, last year this was our most popular floor plan, and it didn't feature a bedroom slide. This year they added a bedroom slide. So a wardrobe slide here gives you a ton of clothing storage space. Add that to the closet here, the washer dryer closet, or more hanging storage space, and you've got, in a small fifth wheel, just a super comfortable bedroom and a ton of bedroom storage. So that's my top five, the Trailblazer top 5 interior features for the 2021 Durango 250 RES. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more Trailblazer top 5s, including the top 5 exterior features for this model.